Hi friends, it's Hazel's mom. Do you hear that? I think that means we'll be exploring animals today. Are you ready? Animals are playing inside the bucket. Ugh, those silly animals. I guess we're just gonna have to go digging for them. Can you help me? Come over here. All right, explorers, we have 16 animals that we need to help get back to their homes. But first, we have to find those silly animals in our bucket of rice. We have blue rice and yellow rice and green rice. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's dig in and see who we find first. Wow, that's a lot of rice. Oh, hey, look. We found somebody right away. Let's see who it is. Oh, it's a sheep. Yeah, sheep are the color white. Do you know what sound a sheep makes? Yeah, baa, baa. Can you make the sound of a sheep with me? Baa. You make a really great sheep. Our first animal is sheep. Let's keep digging and see if we can find any more. Oh, I think that was our easiest one. Let's see. Oh, hey, look. Oh, we found two at the same time. Well, let's do this one first. This one is a bear. And he is the color brown. Yeah, bear. And who else did we find at the same time? It's a fox. This fox is the color red and white. But in the wintertime, did you know that this fox will turn totally white to camouflage himself against the snow? How cool is that? Yeah. Fox. Let's see if we can get another 2 for 1. Nope. Oh, but look. Oh, who did we find? Oh, it's a shark. Have you ever been to the ocean and seen a shark before? This shark is the color gray. Shark. And up next we have, it's an octopus. Yeah, this octopus is the color pink. But an octopus can come in lots of different colors. The really fun thing about an octopus is that they have 8 arms. Can you imagine if you had 8 arms? Wow, think of all the stuff you could get done. Octopus. And next we have, oh, there's another one. This one is gray and it's an elephant. Elephants are the largest land mammal on the planet Earth. Yeah. And this elephant is the color gray. Elephant. Let's see who else we have in here. Look, it's a giraffe. Giraffes are the color yellow and brown, and they have really tall necks and super long legs. Giraffe. Let's dig up in this corner. And who did we find? Oh, it's a raccoon. I love raccoons. They have striped tails and they wear a mask around their eyes, like a little bandit. Yeah, raccoon. Let's see if we can find somebody back here. Oh, way down at the bottom. It's a lion. Oh, I really like lions. Lions are tan with a darker brown mane. Yeah, this is a boy lion because he has a shaggy mane. Girl lions don't have a mane. Lion. There's our pig. Do you know what sound a pig makes? Oink, 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 oink. Yeah, and this pig is the color pink. Pig. Let's keep digging. I feel somebody. Who is it? Oh, it's a horse. Oh, everybody likes horses, right? This horse is the color brown, but horses also come in lots of other colors. Have you ever been horseback riding before? If you have, we would love to hear about it in the comment section below. Horse. All the way to the bottom. It's a deer. Oh, deers are very pretty. We have deer where we live. Do you? This deer is the color brown. Deer. Oh my goodness, these animals are really hiding, aren't they? It's a cow. Moo. Yeah, that's what a cow says. Can you moo with me? Moo. You also make a really great cow. This cow is white with black spots. Cow. Oh, and here's somebody else. Here he comes. Oh, who is it? It's a zebra. Oh, zebras are really cool. They have black and white stripes, and they make a really funny noise, but I can't really do it. Zebra. All right, explorers, we are going way to the bottom of the bucket here. It's a turtle! Oh, turtles are super adorable. This turtle is the color green. The really cool thing about turtles is that they carry their home on their back. Yeah, in the form of a shell. Have you ever seen a turtle in real life? Turtle. I think that might be everybody. Let's do one more dig and see if we can find anybody else. I'm not finding anybody else. Oh, hey! We did it! We found a dolphin! Good thing we kept looking. This dolphin is the color gray. This is another animal that you can find at the ocean. Have you ever seen a dolphin jumping through the surf while you're at the beach? Dolphin. All right, explorers, I think we found everybody. Let's do a count of all the animals we found and see if we come up with the number 16. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Great job, friends! We did it! We found all 16 animals. Now it's time to see if we can find their homes. Okay, now that we've found all of our really sneaky animals, it's time to see if we can match them to their homes. Let's start with the pig. Yeah, pigs live on farms, so we need to find the farm where the pig lives. Can you match the pig to his home? Great job! Right here. And look, he has a little piggy friend next to him. Great job! What about the octopus? Octopus live in the ocean, so let's look for a home with lots of water. There it is! Great job! And let's do the giraffe next. Giraffes live on the African savanna, so he needs a home with yellow grass, trees, and a lot of open space. Wow, you are really good at this. Oh, and what about the elephant? Elephants and giraffes live in the same area and are sometimes neighbors. How cool would it be to have an elephant as a neighbor? Let's find where the elephant goes. Great job, explorers! And what about the deer? We have deer that live in our neighborhood, but typically deer live in the forest so they can hide among the trees. Can you find where the deer goes? There it is. And what about the raccoon? Sometimes raccoons can be seen in neighborhoods, as well as deer can, but mostly they like to live in parks, near water and trees. Let's match the raccoon to where he lives. Awesome job! And what about the sheep? Oh yeah, sheep also live on farms, so we need to find a farm for the sheep to live on. Great job! He goes right there. And look, it looks like he has chickens as his neighbor. And oh, the shark! Sharks are really cool, and they live in the ocean. Let's see if we can find where the shark belongs. Yeah! You did an amazing job, explorers, but we had 16 animals and we've only matched 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, let's see if we can match the rest. Okay, we have 8 down and 8 to go. Let's start with the zebra. Zebras also live on the savanna, so we need a home with yellow grass and trees. Yeah, right there. And what about the dolphin? Dolphins live in the ocean, so let's find him a home with lots of blue water. Great job! And what about, oh, the cow? Cows live on farms. Can you find where the cow goes? Yeah. And what about the horse? Horses also live on farms. Hey, do you think the cow and the horse are friends? I bet they are. Let's find where the horse lives. Up next, it's the bear. Bears are one of my favorite animals and they live in the forest. Can you match the bear to his home? Yeah, great job! How about the lion? Just like the zebra, elephant, and giraffe, lions also live on the African savanna. Let's find his home. Oh, and what about the turtle? Turtles can live in the ocean, and they can also live in lakes and ponds. Let's find this turtle a nice home full of water. Great job! Oops! There he goes. And last but not least is our color-changing fox. Red and white most of the year, and white in the wintertime. Wow! You did a really fantastic job getting all of these animals home. Let's count the remaining animals. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Great job, friends! Wow, explorers, I am so impressed with your amazing matching skills. Great job! Well, that's the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of our videos, click the big red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave me a comment below on what your favorite animal is. Hey, if we get enough comments about the same animal, maybe we'll do a future video all about that animal. Yeah, that sounds like fun. All right, explorers, until next time, bye.